Time now is 6 a.m. and I come about 3 kilometers from my house. This road is going to Village Main, and this is a religious place just 3 kilometers on the bank of the road which runs along Nala, and this side behind me is Patiala, and this is the road going to Main. This road will cross the highway, that is the Sangrur bypass, and at about 2 kilometers from here, and then I will cross over and head towards Village Main. So this religious place is probably beckoning God to take away the corona. Thank you. I am now at the grain mandi, which comes en route at about 6 kilometers from my home. The activity is nearly over. Last night there has been quite a lot of rainfall, so this remnants of the stock which has not been collected are covered with tarpaulins, but the collection was nearly over. Even 2 days back it was nearly empty, and today there is hardly any activity. It is 6:30 sharp in the morning and the sun is up. You can see in the far distance a layer of fog which is emanating from the fields. This is because of the heavy moisture today and followed by the sunrise, because yesterday it has been raining. So I am about 9 kilometers away from home, and this is the view all around. Now I am just heading for this Patiala Nadi. Just about 200 meters along this road is the Patiala Nadi, which is basically now a sewerage drain which takes out the sewerage from Patiala, and it runs in a southerly direction like this. So approximately 4 kilometers from here is my midpoint. Well, today is the 7th of May 2021, and I have come about 13.5 kilometers from home to my midpoint, the usual midpoint, and you can see the fields, they are wet because we had a spell of rainfall yesterday, and this was a rather heavy rain. Not heavy, but yes, it did rain for about an hour, and the fields are wet. Temperature today is pretty cool. In fact, it must be just about 19 degrees, certainly less than 20 degrees, because I see a number of people who have come out. They are wearing jackets, but since I have been cycling, so there was no requirement. This is the road which comes from Main. I am at the midpoint at 13.5 kilometers. And regarding the rain, I think it is been organized by our government. They have really gone out of their way to do some cloud seeding and all, so that this coronavirus, which is supposed to be hanging in the atmosphere now, the droplets, these could be washed down to the ground and make these ineffective, because it is rather unseasonal rain, and so it is surely a result of cloud seeding, and this cloud seeding would have been organized with help of China or the US. I am quite sure about that, so that this coronavirus can be washed down to the ground. Well, in any case, if they have not done it, high time they organize this activity. It's about all. And here comes my friend. Daily he comes at this time. Today his dog is missing, and on this bullock cart he has some manure or cow dung, which he will convert to manure. And that's about all as far as my life in the morning today goes. There I am on my way back home. The road straight goes to Patiala, and this is the fence of the deer park or the Patiala Bir, and this is the area where people keep feeding monkeys. There are a number of monkeys which come to these people who bring a lot of bananas. You can see the practical tamasha going on here, and they bring bananas or they bring bread and feed the monkeys, probably taking them to be a reincarnation of the Hanuman Fauj. And this way the road has come from Dakala.